So, as you may know, my last video for my Rubik's Cube, I said that isn't gonna stickers all coming off. Well, my mom, she taped the ones that needed to be fixed. So this is what we should do. So 3, 2. Well, that was quicker than I expected it to be. I did not think I would do this in 30, oh, that's not 30 seconds. Oh, I didn't get 30 seconds, I got like a minute and 39 seconds. But yeah, it's still good. Rubik's Cube's good, and here, I just want to show you one more thing. And there's my cat.